Hello, this is Real Audio, and I'm responding to Corey's question that hi Janos, I'm having difficulty finding many values of coash pair carbon film resistors, the Kivame resistors. Do I know of any good sources? So I will show you three sources for the Koa resistors. And one of them is DigiKey. Until recently, they didn't have any Koas, but now they do. So when you look for it, just click on in stock and enter keyword, and I enter Koa, K-O-A, and just hit enter for search. And now it's showing me 200k results, right? That's too much. So how to find the Koa resistors? Through hole resistor. Let's click on that. And now I have two product ranges for the Koa, the metal oxide and the carbon film. Choose the carbon film resistors, because those are the Koa resistors, the Kiwames that we are using, the carbon film. So okay, so I clicked on it, click on in stock and apply, and now it's showing us, and you see when you look at the power rating, they only have half watt and quarter watt resistors in stock, and this is the ohms range. So they have like the small value resistors. They have a really nice scale. I would say like they have probably the entire range of the coash pair carbon film resistors, but only at very low wattage. The other place where you can find them is Mauser Electronics, and they had coash pair for a long while, and they've been carrying it. I think DigiKey was carrying Koa also as well, but they dropped it for the past couple years, and now they picked it up again. So here they say, let's find them where it is. Carbon film resistors through hole. So let's click on that, and let's scroll down, click in stock, apply filters, and let's see what they have. And as you see, they have a wider range of Koas. They have up to 5 watt range, but you see when we limit it to these higher wattage like the 3 watt and 5 watt, they only have very limited in stock. Let's see, they only have 4 resistors, you see. So they have just a 15k, 1k, 85k, and 15 ohms. So that's not much. And if you don't need exactly these resistors, then it doesn't work. So there's one source. It's Parts Connection, it's a Canadian company. And let's go to Parts Connection. So Parts Connection has a better stock of coash pair resistors. So you go parts and components, we scroll down, can I scroll down? No, I can't. I have to go this way. So parts and no, come on, my mouse doesn't want to compile. You know what, let's just search it, because if I have this issue, you will have this issue as well. So I hit resistor, and now we are getting lots of things, actually too much. Maybe let's find, maybe I think they will have it under Kiwame name in Parts Connection. Yep, there it is. So now when you look at it, they have like the 2 watt range, and so they have a lot of the 2 watters. This is really nice, because DigiKey doesn't have any 2 watters, and Mauser has some but not all. And we can add like more results per page. It's harder to look for the values this way, because I do not see the ranges, right? You just have to scroll down and find whatever you are looking for. You see they now have like much more 5 watters than and they have like a nice range of them. So I would say that Parts Connection is the source that has the most that's what I would look for to get the higher wattage rating. If you need like between 3 and 5 watt, go for parts connection. If you need 2 watters, I search at Mouser, or and if you need like half watt to or a quarter watt, really tiny ones, then you can get them from DigiKey, but you can also get it from Mouser as well. So I hope, Corey, that helps you and helps all of you who are looking for COAs. I'm sure they have other sources as well. These are the ones that I am using. So have an awesome day. Bye bye.